Sound Tailor Effects Library enters the void with its third release. 60 sounds, 5 hours of rich and deep room tones, with a variety of sizes and environments that will cover most of sound editors' needs. From a quiet residential bedroom to a reverberant inactive hospital hall, a ventilated office space, or a noisy basement, we carefully chose the right place at the right time to get the best from those empty spaces. We've recorded with a combination of 7 low-noise microphones, 1 ambisonic microphone, and 1 geophone, dispatched on a wide rig to get the best spatial impression, allowing us to deliver a true 7.1.2 format, ambisonic 5.1 and stereo versions. The sub-channel, provided by the geophone, and its low-frequency response, has been a shocking surprise for us, and is a real colorful and creative addition. Sound Tailor's room tones is UCS compliant and delivered in high-resolution 96 kilohertz and 24 bits. Come journey through the symphony of silences, where each tone whispers its own story.